Okay, today we are going to see problems based on the section formula in the coordinate geometry chapter. Okay, so section formula is used to find the point which divides the given two points, the line segment joining two given points in some ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, let us have 2 points a x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2 are the 2 points here. So here this is the point P in between A and B. This divides this line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2. The ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, that means for example 2 is to 5 means this is 2 parts, this is 5 parts, like that. M1 parts and m2 parts. So this point divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio m1 is to m2. So how to find that point? If you know A and B, we can find the point of division x comma y using this formula. This is only section formula. Okay. Listen. So the section formula can be written, can remember like this: m1 x2, m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Okay, in the numerator, m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is x coordinate, like that the y coordinate, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula used to find the point of division of line segment. So this is the question: find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma 3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. So direct section formula we can apply. Okay, so this is the first point. Okay, this is the first point x1 and y1, and second point 4 comma minus 3 is x2 y2, x2 y2, and then the ratio 2 is to 3, nothing but m1 is to m2. So m1 is to m2 value 3. That you have to straight away substitute in the section formula to find the point of division. So m1 x2, m1 value 2, x2 value 4. So 2 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, comma m1 y2, m1 2, y2 value, sorry, not this one, not completed, m1 x2 only I wrote, m2 x1 I have to write. M2 value is 3 and then x1 value is minus 1, comma m1 y2, m1 value is 2 and then y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 y1, m2 value is 3 and then y1 value is 7 divided by m1 plus m2. Now simplify this: 2 into 4, 8, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 divided by 2 plus 3, 5, comma here 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 3 into 7, 21 divided by 5. This is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5 divided by 5, comma here minus 6 plus 21 will be 15, 15 by 5. So finally it is equal to 1 comma 3. So this is the point of division of the given two points. Okay, so this is the answer, 1 comma 3. So this is next question: find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So see this diagram, the point, first point 4 comma minus 1, second point minus 2 comma minus 3, it has to be divided, it is given trisection. Trisection means it is divided equally into 3 parts, first, second, third. Trisection means like this. Okay, 3 equal parts. So they are asking the points, plural form. So points of trisection. So in between these A and B, we have 2 points, P and Q. So I have to find the coordinates of these 2 points only. Okay, P and Q. So using section formula only we are going to find it. In section formula we have x1 y1, x2 y2 terms. So this is A value. Suppose you are going to find P means you have to consider this one as x1 y1 and then this is x2 y2. So P, and in what ratio? M1 and M2 is nothing but ratio only. So in what ratio? It is a trisection, 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. So this is one part and this is the remaining 2 parts. So 1 is to 2. P divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, and then m1 is to m2 is 1 is to 2. Okay, that values you have to substitute to find p. So p of x comma y is equal to m1 x2, m1 value 1, x2 value minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 plus 2 comma m2 y1. So it is not completed. And then in numerator m2 x1, m2 value is 2 and then x1 value is 4 comma m1 y2, m1 value 1 and then y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 y1, m2 value 2, y1 value minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2. Simplify it, 1 into minus 2, 2 into 4, 8 divided by 1 plus 2, 3, comma, here 1 into minus 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 divided by 3. If you simplify this, we get a minus 2 plus 8 is what? 6, 6 by 3, comma, here minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, so minus 5 by 3. Finally, you can cancel this here, 2. So final answer is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the first point, P. Okay, so we got a P coordinates of P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Like that we can find the Q also. So we found the coordinates of P. Now we are going to find coordinates of Q. This coordinates of Q we can find using midpoint formula also. But we are first seeing the section formula, so let us find using section formula itself. Okay. So now Q divides the line segment AB. So in the left hand side of Q you have two parts. Okay. So these are two parts. Here one part. So Q divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. So m1 is to m2 become 2 is to 1. So now Q of x comma y is equal to m1 x2. m1 value 2, x2 value minus 2 plus m2 x1, m2 value 1, x1 value 4 divided by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 1, comma m1 y2, m1 is 2, y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 y1, m2 value 1, y1 value minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 4, 1 into 4 plus 4 divided by 3, comma 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 divided by 3. So finally it becomes minus 4 plus 4 is 0, 0 divided by 3, comma minus 7 by 3. So 0 by 3 is 0 only and then minus 7 by 3 as it is. So coordinates of Q are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So this is next question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining first point and the second point is divided by the minus 1 comma 6. So here they gave the point of division x comma y. This is P of x comma y is itself minus 1 comma 6. Okay. So in this question, the point of division minus 1 comma 6 is given. So we have to find in what ratio it divides. Ratio means m1 and m2 value I have to find. Okay. So given x comma y is given minus 1 comma 6. X comma y is equal to minus 1 comma 6. That is the point P of x comma y. And then we have to find m1 is to m2. This question mark. So let m1 is to m2 is equal to k is to 1. I am assuming like that. Finally, I am going to replace the k by given the obtained ratio. Okay. So here P of x comma y, that is minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m1 x2. First write what is x1 y1 x2 y2. Minus 3 comma 10 is the x1 y1 and 6 comma minus 8. This is x2 y2. Okay, so m1 x2, instead of m1 I am assuming k m2 as 1. So m1 x2, k into x2 value is 6 plus m2 value 1, and then x1 value is minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2, k plus 1, comma m2 m1 y2, m1 value again k, y2 value is minus 8 plus m2 y1, m2 value 1, y1 value 10 divided by m1 plus m2, k plus 1. This is equal to, here multiply it, 6k and then minus 3 divided by k plus 1, here minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Now here it is minus 1 comma 6. We can equate any one. Minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Like that you can equate. So minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. So cross multiply it, k plus 1 into minus 1. If you multiply with minus 1, everyone will change sign. So minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Now take minus k that side. Now 6k plus minus k will become 7k, and then here minus 3 if you take this side, already minus 1 plus 3. So in next step 2 is equal to 7k, and then 2 by 7, that is k is equal to 2 by 7 we get. Therefore the ratio is m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Listen. So this is the question. 4 points are given, 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find x comma y. Okay. So parallelogram has 4 vertices we know. Okay, it is a quadrilateral. So these 4 vertices, points of 4 vertices only given. In that x and y unknown variables you have to find. Okay. It is given, the vertices are taken in order, like that it is given. So if you name these vertices A, B, C, D, so you can write here A, B, C and D. Now if you join this opposite vertices, you will get a diagonal. Okay. So two diagonals are there, AC and BD. Both are intersecting. Let both of them intersecting at a point O. Okay. So we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, bisect each other means what? This OD is equal to OB and the AO is equal to CO. Okay, so therefore O is the midpoint of the diagonal AC and it is also midpoint of diagonal BD. Okay, so here O is midpoint of diagonals AC and BD. If x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are the points then midpoint of the line given as x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, if we consider these two are 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay, here you have like this. Then the midpoint is this one only. This is given like this. Coordinates of midpoint only given x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so these are the 2 points x1 comma y1. So using the same formula, here O is the midpoint of AC and O is also midpoint of BD. Okay, O is midpoint of AC is equal to O is midpoint of BD. So AC midpoint. So coordinates of AC are 1 comma 2 and then C is x comma 6. Okay. Now x1 plus x2, 1 plus x divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2, 2 comma 6 is 2 is y1, 6 is y2. So 2 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to midpoint of BD. Coordinates of B are 4 comma y and then D are 3 comma 5. So now 3 plus 4 by 2 comma y coordinates 5 plus y divided by 2. Okay, simplify this. 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4 is equal to here 3 plus 4 7, 7 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2 as it is. Now equate separately. X coordinate here 1 plus x by 2, here 7 by 2. So this implies 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Okay. Now 2 both sides cancelled. 1 plus x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. Okay. In the same way here 4 is equal to 5 plus y by 2. Now take 2 here, 4 into 2 8 is equal to 5 plus y. Now y is equal to 8 minus 5. Therefore y equal to 3. Okay. So we got the values of x and y. X is 6, y is 3. So this is the question. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and point B is 1 comma 4. So see here, there is a center and a diameter passing through the center. Endpoints of the diameter only A and B. So A is not given, they are asking A only. B is given 1 comma 4. And the center of the diameter O it is given. Its coordinates are 2 comma minus 3. So A is not given, we assume it as x comma y. Okay. So here in the AB diameter, O is the midpoint of the diameter. Center is nothing but midpoint of AB only. So here O is center and also it is midpoint of AB. So we know the midpoint formula. By midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. We write 2 comma minus 3 is equal to, see here O only midpoint. Okay, so 2 comma minus 3 only is equal to x plus 1. This is only x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So x1 plus x2, x plus 1 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 in the formula y plus 4 divided by 2. So separately equate them now. 2 is equal to this thing and then minus 3 is equal to this thing. So 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 into 2 4, x plus 1. So x is equal to, taking 1 that side, 4 minus 1. So x is equal to 3. In the same way, here minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 divided by 2. Taking 2 here, minus 3 into 2, minus 6 is equal to y plus 4. Now minus 6 minus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 10. Okay. Therefore, point A nothing but 3 comma minus 10. So this is question. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A and B into 4 equal parts. Okay. So 4 equal, between A and B I have to split into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let us name this P, Q, R. So in between A and B you have P, Q, R 3 points at equal intervals. Okay. So if you see, this is equal to this is equal to this, and this one is equal to this. Therefore, AQ equal to QB. Okay. So AQ equal to QB means what? Q will be midpoint of AB. So here AQ is equal to QB. That implies Q is midpoint of AB. So now using midpoint formula you can find Q. So Q is equal to, using midpoint formula, what is the coordinates of A? Minus 2 comma 2 and then B 2 comma 8. So midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. So minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2, 2 plus 8 by 2. So it is equal to minus 2 plus 2 0, and then here 2 plus 8 10. That implies Q is equal to 0 comma 5. Okay. In the same way, see here we got a Q. Q is 0 comma 5. Now we can find a P. P is the midpoint of AQ. That implies P is equal to midpoint of AQ. So I have to take, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0 by 2, comma 2 plus 5 by 2. So we get minus 2 by 2. Here 7 by 2. So P is equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2. Okay. So in a similar way we can find R. R is the midpoint of QB. So therefore R is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2 comma 5 plus 8 by 2. So we will get a 2 by 2 will be 1, and then 5 plus 8 13 by 2. So R is 1 comma 13 by 2. So we got all the coordinates of points P, Q, R.